What would you say if I tell you that you can steal $125 million and not worry about getting caught? The answer is probably obvious to most people, and it is nothing but no way. But if your answer is the same, then I have to say that you are wrong, because this is exactly what happened, and today in Sufferstan we are going to talk about not only this, but more incidents like this. In late November this year, KyberSwap, a decentralized exchange DEX, has become the latest victim of a sophisticated cyber heist and cost more than $48 million across 6 different blockchain networks. You might ask how, and the simple answer is a flash loan attack, a widespread but powerful threat in the decentralized finance DeFi space. Doug Colkett, the founder and CEO of Crocodile Labs, after investigating the incident, posted the results on his personal Twitter account. He also said,
"This is easily the most complex and carefully engineered smart contract exploit I've ever seen."
For more information on how this robbery happened, check out Doug's related tweets. What happened was just using one of the many blockchain security flaws. In the next case, a different method was used and almost twice that amount was collected. As shown by Blockchain Explorer Etherscan, a suspicious leak occurred in the cryptocurrency wallet of digital asset exchange Poloniex. Blockchain security firm believes it was hacked, resulting in attackers looting up to $100 million worth of cryptocurrencies. However, according to different news, this number may even reach up to $125 million. The company even offered a white hat bounty on the hackers, offering 5% of the return of funds and a 7-day cooling period. Justin Sun, the CEO of Poloniex, did not immediately respond to Cointelegraph's request for comment. But eventually, in a statement, the company said that the platform has mostly completed the restoration efforts after the big hack. According to the figures so far, the next incident may not seem too big, but still, we are talking about several million dollars. On November 23rd of this year, a Twitter account with the name CDK Alerts, which is owned by blockchain security pioneer CDK, has reported an exit scam related to CyPro token on Binance Smart Chain. According to CDK Skynet alert system, operators dumped around $1.7 million worth of Psy tokens. The assets were then transferred to EOA 0x23F, confirming signs of an exit scam, a fraudulent practice in the cryptocurrency market where developers abandon their projects and walk away with investors' funds. The funny thing is that until today, as we're talking about this, no explanation has been given, as if nothing had happened. With its emergence, blockchain promised security and privacy in a way we had not seen before. It kept its word in most cases, but you can see that even with this level of security, there are still ways to commit fraud. And in these cases, privacy and security come to the aid of these fraudsters and prevent them from getting caught. What is your take on this matter? Do you think that blockchain has so many advantages that these disadvantages can be ignored? Let us know.